Mount Mayon is an active volcano located in the province of Albay, in the Philippines. If it were to erupt, it could have significant impacts on the surrounding area. Ashfall. The volcano could produce ash clouds that would spread over a wide area and potentially affect air travel and cause respiratory issues for those nearby. Lahars. Mount Mayon is located near rivers and streams, which could be impacted by the eruption and produce lahars, or volcanic mudflows. These lahars could cause significant damage to infrastructure and pose a threat to those living in